Rufus. Rufus.
Who coming in?
I mean,
What?
we can get the 2,000 and buy this stuff for the picnic them.
Which 2,000 $2,000?
Remember, see if you give me the money. Look where you had the money and drink. I don't want the money.
Me not have no money, me tell you so me not have no money for a way back when me broke.
So you buy Grey Goose, Campari, water rum, 7 Up and water.
Yeah, I'm a friend buy me them, my friend buy me them.
Grey Goose, me want the money.
I'm Grey Goose here thing, but take your mind out of the Grey Goose, man.
Rufus, me
Take your
want
mind
the
out.
money.
See, Pete today and then tomorrow. No, they got me, baby. They got me, baby.
Rufus.
They got me, baby. They got me, baby. Bright and feisty. I tell you guys, I have no money. Pete today, then tomorrow, I have no money. Right? I have no money and I'm going to take over my money. You know what? See, return of the lights.
Me know say I had the money, you know. Or a drinking. I must drinking. And then I can't take out, but pick today and then tomorrow. And he jump on top. I have a plan. Watch for me and him. Watch for me. Know what I'm going to do? Watch for me and him.
5 hours later.
Rufus.
Who that?
Rufus.
This is Father God.
Yes, I am
God,
God.
what do I do to deserve this? To deserve you coming and visit me now?
You're going to die.
What did I do to
Today.
deserve that? What did I do?
You took an oath. You said, pit today and dead tomorrow.
Whoa, God,
And you lied.
Forgive me. Me never mean it. Me have money, me about 200 grand in my bank. And me can't care. Please don't give me, you can't see it. Can't
Rufus,
see it. Yes, Father.
did you buy those drinks?
Yes, I bought them. I bought all of them. I need to enjoy myself.
You lie! And you buy the drink!